Hello and welcome everybody. Myself CMS Sanket Pandit. Yesterday it was very painful for me after reading thousands of comment and the dreams of the CMS students are shattered. I can tell after reading the social media and going through everything, everybody majority are unhappy. Why they are unhappy and how what actually happened, I am here to share with you all. And in the later part of the video I will also share a email which Poonam CMA Poonam madam has written to the president and all. So I just request you that please show your support by liking the video and watch this video. In 10 minutes I will tell you each and everything and what can be done and how the complete mismanagement has happened. In January 2021 examination was over. Now we are in September 2021. 9 months have passed. Everybody knows 9 महीने में क्या क्या हो जाता है. लेकिन 9 महीने में we were unable to give any portal for mock test for the students. We are not able to conduct any examination. We are not able to give even model examination. What we were able to give in these 9 months, only one paper set in PDF, one question paper, and that too in some PDF, in some cost audit or something. There is mixture, SFM का क्वेश्चन या कॉस्ट ऑडिट का क्वेश्चन मिक्स होके मॉक एग्जाम हो गया है. So this is very heartbreaking that in these 9 months we are not able to do anything, and due to which a very negative image has gone in the public and students are very much unhappy. I have received comments which I won't show in this video. They are telling that they are dropping the CMA course. So due to this decision, disrespect to the profession has been brought, because everybody is telling that we are leaving this course, we are unhappy what they are doing. And seriously it is a matter of question और आत्मनिरीक्षण करने का समय है कि 9 महीने 9 months what we are doing. People are telling that students demanded postponement. I would like to answer them very clearly. If you gave the portal to practice this mock test in June, I guarantee you not one student will tell that postpone the examination. Student is telling postpone the examination because you are dragging it till the last, till September you are not giving portal and you are telling that exam to October में होगा. This is the reason. Because of your delay, the student is not is telling to postpone the examination. सितंबर तक आप पोर्टल नहीं देंगे और आप बोलेंगे अक्टूबर में एग्जाम है, तो स्टूडेंट क्या बोलेगा. आप पोर्टल स्टूडेंट को जून में दे और आप बताइए स्टूडेंट बोलता है तो पोस्टपोनमेंट का. सो प्लीज डोंट टेल दैट स्टूडेंट इज टेलिंग टू पोस्टपोन द एग्जामिनेशन. स्टूडेंट इज नॉट टेलिंग. इट इज ड्यू टू योर mismanagement. You are not able to give the portal, that's why the postponement has happened. And as a member I have every right to express my opinion. I am getting thousands of messages daily. I have to reply to each and everybody. So I know what is the situation. स्थिति क्या है ground level पे. In 9 months we are not able to conduct single examination. Moreover, students are telling that we are leaving this course. How we should convince them? This is absolute mismanagement. And in the notification we are saying unavoidable circumstances. Now if there are certain unavoidable circumstances, you tell the members, you tell the stakeholders कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसके वजह से नहीं हो रहा, ये प्रॉब्लम है. अरे हम भी तो वो अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांस को दूर करेंगे, हम भी मदद करेंगे आपकी दूर करने में. लेकिन आप बताओ तो क्या अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांसेस है. इट इज नॉट अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांसेस सर. सॉरी टू से, इट इज पुअर प्लानिंग इन दिस 9 months. पुअर प्लानिंग जिसके वजह से स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बहुत गलत हुआ है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी मच सैडन्ड. दे आर वेरी मच हार्ट ब्रेकन. इतना दिल टूटा है 9 महीने से. सम पीपल यू ऑल्सो नो हैव फेल्ड विथ 1 mark, राइट. इन जनवरी, इन मार्च देयर रिजल्ट केम. they are failed because they got 39 marks in law, right. They failed. Now they are waiting कि एग्जाम होगा. 1 paper 2 paper आर लेफ्ट. बट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर नॉट कंडक्टिंग. सो एक मार्क से जो बच्चा फेल हुआ है उसको कितना वेट करना पड़ेगा. ऑलरेडी वो 9 महीने से वेट कर रहा है. इंस्टीट्यूट डायरेक्टली टोल्ड वन फाइन डे वी आर गोइंग विथ ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन. We all supported. Yes, you go with online examination. We are with you. In the prospectus of the institute, you have not written that you are conducting online exam. One fine day you decided online exam be conducted. You conducted. We all wholeheartedly supported. Everybody knows in January 2021 examination what were the lacunas, क्या हुआ था. Still we supported because it was first time. But वो एग्जाम लेके 9 महीने हो गया जी, फिर भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. This is not accepted at all. And now I will read the email which is very beautifully drafted by one of our senior Poonam Shah madam. She has written to all president, vice president and whole council members. I thought I should just display to you. So she writes, dear all, please go through the following email which I had written to the president and other central council members. None of the members felt a need to reply to my mail till date. However, today Council has taken decision to merge June 2021 examination with December 2021 attempt without giving any reason. We are also asking that if it is unavoidable circumstances, you tell us. There are also good people outside the institute who may help you. They have done it, and that too without deciding the exam schedule. And this is very much painful that you are not telling in due course, soon it will be announced. Are sir, 9 months have passed. How you can use the word soon it will be announced? G. 9 months have passed and still you are not able to decide the schedule. You are telling in due course, soon it will be released. Are if you will conduct the exam in December, there are only 2 months left, so student will not attempt the both group. But if you tell that exam is in January or February, then student may think कि हाँ भाई 6 महीने बाद है, I will give both the group, single group. After 9 months also you are not deciding the schedule, you are not telling the student and you are keeping it there. And what will happen due to this? Again rumors will float. अरे एग्जाम होने नहीं वाली, एग्जाम मर्ज होंगी. Then again pattern problem is there, and if you don't give the mock test portal till October end, then again student will tell if you will give in December, अरे टाइम ही नहीं मिला, कम मिला. So this is just due to mismanagement and you are not giving them what they are requiring at the start only. So you didn't decide the schedule, which is not at all acceptable. So we really don't know if the CCMs will combine June 2022 attempt also, because you have not given the December 2021 examination attempt also with it. We members and students are not sure and will not be surprised also if you all CCMs can take this decision also. We proved to the world that we do not have skills to manage the exam schedule also. We have proved to the world that our council members do not have courage to put the council meeting minutes in public domain, so that students and members will come to know whether few or entire CCMs are responsible for this debacle of entire examination system. All CCMs are responsible collectively for the damage done to the students' mental health and their career. We call ourselves auditors and we do not believe in transparency. Institute is not able to reveal to all why they are not able to conduct examination. This is our question. What are these unavoidable circumstances? There are no unavoidable circumstances according to my personal view. In the notification, no reason are given for merging the examination. If council is not capable of taking the examination, let the entire examination committee resign. Let them inform the government, and I am sure government will take all charge and organize the examination. Why students should suffer due to incapability of the examination committee and the CCMs? And moreover, Corona is also not there. Already other professional bodies have conducted the examination. CAA Institute has conducted the examination and has given 10,000 chartered accountants to the India. CSE Institute has conducted the examination and the in due course result is coming. Our CMA students are just waiting कि exam कब होगा, exam कैसे होगा, pattern क्या होगा. This will be called black decision taken by any council in the history of our institute. No one will be able to forget and forgive the council for such irresponsible behavior at the cost of students' future. I had tried to talk to the president and he was sounding very helpless and could not reply to my questions, so he disconnected my phone. I really fail to understand how a person on highest chair would like to remain in power without any power. If any student will do something in their depression, who is responsible? And I have even shared the screenshots students have messaged that, sir, if the examination is merging, we will commit suicide. This is the mental trauma which students are facing due to such decision. And I can share the screenshot. I am not bluffing or lying. I get daily 1000 plus messages. I know what is the ground level, what is the situation at ground level. And we seriously require a reply from the council. Any courage left to reply to all these questions? If yes, please go ahead. So yes, we require answer that why you have merged the examination, what are the unavoidable circumstances, what planning you did in these 9 months, and what is your future. You could have even, अगर आपको समझ जाता ना सर जून में ही कि भाई वेंडर नहीं मिला है, you could have just simply printed the question paper and you could have conducted offline exam parallelly कि भाई दिसंबर का हमारा नहीं हो रहा तो ऑफलाइन एग्जाम ले लेते, फिर आगे जून से ले लेंगे. Nobody would have shouted that why are you shifting from online to offline, because students are really very poor and they just require कि भाई हमारी एग्जाम ले लो, हमको पास कर दो. मेरे घर वाले रोज पूछते कि एग्जाम कब होंगी, कब पास होंगे हम. So if you would have conducted offline exam by just printing the question paper and arranging the center, everybody would have been happy and nobody would have opposed, and we would also have supported. But you just want to take online exam. Are you take online exam, offline exam, आप चांद पे लो भाई exam लो. This is our question. So this is really heartbreaking, and we expect a very strong reply from the institute that why they are not able to conduct the examination in 9 months, and who are responsible for this mismanagement and playing with the students' future. I request everybody, whatever your thoughts are there, you don't put today in comment. You write to the president, vice president, and everybody. I will share the email ID with you. You write to them that why this thing has happened. So you can click here about us. Okay, then you can click here council members and you can write, these are the Western Council members. You can see the email, you can copy paste and you can write to them, and same goes with other members also. In Eastern our president sir is also there. So yes, these are the email ID. You don't put your suggestions or queries in comment box today. You write to them, you show them that what your feelings are there, what your parents are feeling, and what has happened due to such things. These are the sudden number, so you can check and you can write them. They are the decision makers and they have taken the decision. So yes, you can, yeah, and likewise you can check and you can mail to them and you can ask them whatever your thoughts are there. As a member, I have expressed my opinion, whatever I personally feel about the complete mismanagement of last 9 months. This is it. Thank you so much. I won't tell keep studying. All the best.